Hello everyone, we hope you're all healthy and having a wonderful day. We are Richly. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with yet another exciting video. Michael Saylor just said this about Ethereum. The CEO of MicroStrategy, one of the major holders of Bitcoin, believes Ethereum is ready to take over. Michael Saylor doesn't trust only Bitcoin anymore. Before we get started, subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, Michael Saylor will delete your Ethereum tokens. Don't miss out, stick around until the end of the video to know more about what Michael Saylor has to say on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Michael Saylor doesn't think Bitcoin is going to be the currency in the US ever. The CEO of MicroStrategy believes Bitcoin is a kind of property and points out that other forms of property pose no danger to the US government. Bitcoin is more like digital property than digital cash, according to MicroStrategy's CEO Mike Saylor. He was interviewed on the Coin Stories podcast with Natalie Brunell on July 15th. When asked if Bitcoin posed a threat to the US currency, Saylor responded, "It's a digital property. It's a threat to property. It's especially a threat to other types of property," says the author. "Property is gold and property is real estate. I don't believe real land, buildings, corporations, or gold pose a danger to the U.S. government." Saylor also remarked on Scott Melker's Wolf of All Streets podcast earlier this week that "I don't really think that Bitcoin is going to be a currency in the United States ever. Neither do I believe it should be. And what it's doing is demonetizing other types of property," he said, explaining that individuals are now debating whether to buy Bitcoin rather than traditional assets like real estate, stocks, establishing a business, or purchasing gold. MicroStrategy has been slowly building up its Bitcoin holdings since August 2020, and it now has 105,085 Bitcoin, which is worth about $3.3 billion at today's rates. Even if Bitcoin collapses in the short term, Saylor informed Brunell that MicroStrategy has no intention of selling and is prepared for future volatility. He stressed the need of holding through market downturns and FUD, citing industry titans such as former Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer, who didn't sell his shares when the price fell in the past. What did Steve Ballmer do so brilliantly that he became worth $100 billion? He didn't sell Microsoft, you know. Saylor also highlighted a Warren Buffett statement that says, "If you aren't willing to hold a company for 10 years, don't even consider about owning it for 10 minutes, as well as the fact that Amazon's stock had rebounded from 80% drops in the past. One iPhone 12 will be worthless after 100 years, therefore Apple's product will not endure 1,000 years. Bitcoin is selling a fraction of a 1/21 millionth of all the money in the world. It doesn't have to alter, it simply needs to stay together," he explained. However, the MicroStrategy CEO stated that if Bitcoin's price is lower in 4 years than it is now, he would have to reassess his approach. Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency that can thrive. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor says Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency that can thrive. On Tuesday, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor told CNBC that Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency with a promising future. According to Saylor, various cryptocurrencies serve distinct objectives. "I believe there will be a place for everyone when the market begins to comprehend these things," he added. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor told CNBC on Tuesday that he believes a variety of cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, have a bright future. Saylor, one of the most outspoken proponents of Bitcoin, has increased the reputation of his business software firm in the last year by substantially investing in the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Saylor said in a Tuesday appearance on Fast Money that various cryptocurrencies serve different objectives, but that novices to the digital asset sector may take some time to understand those distinctions. According to Saylor, Bitcoin is digital property and a store of value, but Ether and the Ethereum blockchain are attempting to disrupt traditional banking. You'll want to put your structures on a granite foundation, so Bitcoin is built to endure a lifetime. High integrity, highly durable. Ethereum is attempting to dematerialize exchanges and the financial system, according to Saylor. I believe that when the market becomes more aware of these issues, there will be a place for everyone. MicroStrategy said on Monday that it had completed a debt offering and planned to use the money to purchase additional Bitcoin. The business also announced on Monday that it will begin a program to sell an additional $1 billion in stock over time. According to CNBC, the company may use the proceeds from the stock sale to buy Bitcoin, pay down debt, or for general business reasons. MicroStrategy's stock has up around 62% this year and more than 400% in the last year. The stock ended at $630.54 on Tuesday, up more than 5% on the day. It reached a 52-week high in February when it traded above $1,300. Michael Saylor has changed his mind on Ethereum. Does this mean that he will add Ethereum to MicroStrategy's balance sheet? MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor told CNBC on Tuesday that he believes in a variety of cryptos that have a bright future. It's not just about Bitcoin. All cryptos, according to Michael Saylor, have a place. He went on to say that various cryptos had distinct functions. Furthermore, he stated that although Bitcoin functions as a digital asset, Ethereum aims to disrupt traditional finance. Furthermore, Saylor, who has become a crypto bull thanks to his Bitcoin purchases, previously stated that there is no second-best cryptocurrency. However, it appears that he is reconsidering his position on Ethereum. Let's start with the fact that Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Furthermore, Michael Saylor stated, "You're going to want to construct your structures on a firm base of granite," implying that Bitcoin is built to survive forever with high integrity and tremendous durability. Ethereum is attempting to dematerialize financial institutions and exchanges. Saylor stated in the interview that various cryptos serve a variety of objectives. However, newbies to the digital assets sector may take some time to see such subtleties. I believe there will be a space for everyone when the market begins to comprehend these things, Saylor said. Does this imply that Ethereum will be included in MicroStrategy's financial statements? Soon enough, the passing of time will inform us. MicroStrategy Incorporated increased the amount of a junk bond issue last week to acquire more Bitcoin, selling $500 million in high-yield notes. The notes will be sold in a private offering to eligible institutional purchasers, according to the official statement. MicroStrategy is one of the most well-known institutional Bitcoin investors. Square Inc., managed by Jack Dorsey, Tesla Inc., and others are among them. Ethereum price prediction. Before aiming for 2,300, Ethereum must first secure a crucial level. The price of Ethereum is still moving sideways in a symmetrical triangular shape. The dominating technical pattern indicates that Ethereum is stuck in a state of indecision. Ethereum looks to have reached a local bottom and is poised for a 16% rally. Hesitation has been consuming the Ethereum price, with Ethereum printing a chart pattern that implies indecision. Despite its indecisiveness, the cryptocurrency looks to be on the verge of a price change to the higher. The price of Ethereum is expected to rise by 16%. Since May 19th, Ethereum's price has been stuck in a rut, moving sideways. On the daily chart, Ethereum looks to be forming a symmetrical triangle formation, indicating short-term hesitation. The local bottom was marked by the daily candle on July 17th, which was supported by the chart pattern's lower limit. After a buy signal from the momentum reversal indicator on the July 16th candle signaled a trend reversal in the short term, Ethereum price is now ready for a comeback to the upside. The 38.2% Fibonacci extension level, which coincides with the 200-day simple moving average, is projected to be reached by Ethereum price at $2,065. Further positive momentum for Ethereum should not rule out greater goals. Ethereum bulls may anticipate the asset to seek the upper border of the symmetrical triangle at $2,284, which corresponds to the 61.8% Fibonacci extension level and the 50-day SMA if the aforementioned level can be secured as support. While the ruling chart pattern implies that Ethereum price will likely remain sideways, a huge surge in purchasing pressure may drive the price above $2,972. The symmetrical triangle's calculated upside goal. Should Ethereum bears get control of the market, Ethereum price may find significant support at the 23.6% Fibonacci extension level of $1,930 before sliding to the MRI's support line of 1,800. With more selling pressure, Ethereum may drop to the demand zone, which ranges from $1,600 to $1,730. Only if Ethereum loses this support level will the utmost bearish possibility of a 35% drop from the chart pattern's bottom limit at 1282 be considered. Let us know if you think Ethereum will be worth $100,000. What are your thoughts on comments made by Michael Saylor?